Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, I will show you how you can archive or unarchive chats in WhatsApp. So let's get right into it. So launch WhatsApp on your mobile device, and here on your WhatsApp home screen, simply choose the conversation or chat you would like to archive by tapping and holding your left finger on the conversation. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to archive that one here. Hold your finger for a moment on it, and after a moment you will see these options here at the top. So to archive the selected conversation, tap on that icon here in the top right corner with that box and that arrow down icon, just like that. And that is going to archive the given chat. You may undo this action by tapping on undo here, or alternatively simply enter the archive folder here and manually unarchive the given conversation by holding your finger on it for a moment and by again tapping on that icon in the top right corner with that box and that arrow, just like that. As you can see, your chat has been unarchived. And that's it guys, that's how we do it. Thanks for watching, have a fantastic day.